Welcome to the Guide to Azure Synapse ARM Template, a comprehensive tutorial that will walk you through the process of creating and deploying Azure Synapse resources using Azure Resource Manager templates. First, let's start with the basics. Azure Synapse is a cloud-based analytics service that combines enterprise data warehousing and big data analytics. Azure Resource Manager, or ARM, is a service that enables you to manage and deploy Azure resources. To get started, you will need to create an ARM template, which is a JSON file that defines the infrastructure and configuration for your Azure Synapse resources. The template will include parameters, variables, and resources. Parameters are used to input values into the template. Variables are used to store values that can be used throughout the template. And resources are the actual Azure resources that are being created. The key components of an Azure Synapse ARM template include a workspace, a storage account, and a file system. The workspace is the top-level resource that contains all the other resources. The storage account is used to store data, and the file system is used to manage files. To create an Azure Synapse ARM template, you can use a tool like Visual Studio Code with the ARM template extension. This will provide you with a user-friendly interface to create and edit your template. You can also use the Azure portal to create and deploy your template. Best practices for creating Azure Synapse ARM templates include using parameters and variables to make the template reusable, using nested templates to organize complex resources, and using output values to return information about the deployed resources. In terms of practical examples, you can use an ARM template to create a new Azure Synapse workspace with a storage account and file system. You can also use a template to update an existing workspace or to create a new pool or database. In conclusion, Azure Synapse ARM templates provide a powerful way to create and deploy Azure Synapse resources. By following the steps outlined in this guide and using best practices, you can create reusable and efficient templates that meet your needs. With Azure Synapse ARM templates, you can simplify the process of deploying and managing your Azure Synapse resources.